Gardening is not only for the outdoors. Indoor gardening has become a popular trend and offers more than meets the eye. Believe it or not, it nourishes our mental health and well-being. In our concrete jungles, clean air is a luxury. But did you know that indoor plants offer more than just beauty? They enhance the air quality by eliminating toxins from pollution, paints, and cleaning products. These leafy companions are nature's secret to fresh air and a healthy environment, and they are powerhouses. A single indoor plant can boost air quality by 25%, while 5 indoor plants can achieve a remarkable 75% improvement. Now, imagine the impact that 10 indoor plants in an average size room can have. Talk about maximizing air purification. Spathiphyllum, or peace lily, has been declared the best living air filter globally by NASA's Clean Air Study. Its shiny leaves and stark white flowers complement modern interiors, bathrooms, and even the bedrooms. The bamboo palm is a popular indoor plant that is pet-friendly and a hero air purifier. Their vibrant green colors are eye-catching in bright rooms. Then there's the Dracæna trifasciata, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, and bromeliads, which will clean the air and also add structural contrast to other softer indoor plants. And let's not forget the Ficus lorata, or fiddle leaf fig, an air-purifying houseplant like no other with giant glossy leaves. It's a must-have for any indoor gardener. Indoor plants can also boost concentration, productivity, and well-being. Yes, you too can unlock a range of well-being benefits by creating an oasis with a variety of plant species and sizes. Plant favorites like the Peperomia napoli will help create a soothing environment with its silver color on the top side of leaves and a pale red below. They need medium amounts of sunlight and are also quite easy to care for. Philodendron scandens is a trailing vine plant with heart-shaped leaves. An easy care plant, it can help reduce stress levels, creating a calming environment. For a vibrant pop of color, choose Kalanchoe and Calendivas. These low-maintenance flowering plants adds quirky burst of color indoors, uplifts moods, and creates a positive atmosphere. Just make sure to place them in a bright spot where they can thrive and bring joy to any room. With proper care, these indoor leafy companions can turn any space into a healthy and joyful indoor paradise. Don't wait any longer. Join the indoor plant craze and experience a unique indoor botanical retreat.